In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Zoom meeting link, including how to schedule and send that Zoom link to others. Let's start right from the Zoom home screen. When you open Zoom on your computer, you'll see a few main options. To schedule a meeting for later, look for the button labeled Schedule. Go ahead and click that. This opens a scheduling window where you can set up all the details for your meeting in advance. At the top of this window, you'll see a field where you can give your meeting a name. Type in a clear, descriptive title so your participants know what the meeting is about. Just below that, choose the date and start time. Make sure you double-check the time zone here, especially if your participants are in different locations, so no one joins at the wrong time. Next, adjust the duration of the meeting. This doesn't cut your meeting off exactly at that time, but it helps with calendar invites and keeps everything organized. Then, review the security settings. You'll usually see an automatically generated passcode. It's a good idea to keep a passcode enabled so only the right people can join. If there's a waiting room option, you can turn that on for extra security, especially for public or large meetings. You'll also see options to have the host and participants join with video on or off. Choose what works best for your situation. For more formal meetings, you might prefer to start with video off and let people turn it on once they're ready. You can also decide whether participants can join before the host. If you want to control when the meeting begins, leave that turned off. Once your settings look good, click Save or Schedule. At this point, your meeting is created, and Zoom will open a window with all the details. If you're using a calendar integration like Google Calendar or Outlook, you'll see an event draft with the Zoom link already included. To share the meeting link, look for the option that says Copy Invitation or Copy Link. Clicking Copy Invitation will copy all the details, including the link, meeting ID, and passcode. Copy Link usually copies just the main join link. From there, paste it into an email, a chat message, or a calendar event. Make sure everyone receives the link and, if needed, the passcode before the meeting starts. And that's all you need to create, schedule, and share a Zoom meeting link confidently.